Clifford! Come on! There's a carnival in town!
Come on, guys! This'll be great!
Let's go win some prizes!
Step right up! My name is Phineas T. Wordsworth, and my carnival is filled with words and rides and games galore! But oh, how I love words! I'd also love some help because, well, confidentially, I'm a bit short-handed.
I'll help in one of the booths.
We'll help too.
Splendid! Then tonight, after the carnival, we'll have a grand parade, the likes of which Birdwell Island has never seen!
Come on, let's go!
Wait, there's one more thing. Oh, maybe you can help. You see, I seem to have lost all the decorations for our parade float. We can't have the parade if we don't decorate the float. I'm counting on you to find some decorations. To the carnival!
To the carnival!
Oh, just one more thing. The parade float is back in the big striped tent with the red flag on top. That's where I'll store your prizes when you win them. Just click on the waving red flag to go there. And don't forget, there's lots of places to explore. You can go off this way or that way. Oh, dear. I guess that was more than one thing, wasn't it? Well, good luck and ta-ta!
Phineas could sure use our help. Maybe we could all find some things to use to decorate the parade float.
Good idea, Clifford. So, where are we gonna do that?
I'm not sure, T-Bone. Maybe we should play some of the games and go on the rides. We might find something there.
Always thinking, big guy. Let's go!
Wow! Ducks? A Ferris wheel? What do we do first?
Hey, let's put our canine muscles to the test and try to ring that bell.
Well, where should we start?
Anywhere is good.
There are so many things to do around here.
You said it, big guy. So let's pick one.
So, what's next, guys? What should we do?
I'm telling you, T, that wheel looks pretty good to me.
Welcome to my Wheel of Words. Click the wheel and around it goes. What word it makes, no one knows. At, bat, beautiful. Ready for another spin? At, pat, huzzah! Keep on spinning. At, cat, cute. Bat, hat, cat. How about that? Round and round she goes. Why don't you spin again?
Well, where should we start?
And fan. Fantastic. Okay, spin it. And man. Most excellent. Spin again. And pan. Priceless. Fan, man, pan. What a fantastic panoply of words! Ready to take another spin on the wheel of words? Click the wheel. Ugh, mud, marvelous. Take it for another spin. Ugh, bug, brilliant. Okay, spin it.
Is that a cannon over there?
Cannon? For real?
You bet it's for real. Want to check it out?
Hey, isn't that one of those whack-a-thingamajig games?
Oh yeah, I love those.
Well, where should we start?
Anywhere is good.
Is that a cannon over there?
Cannon? For real?
You bet it's for real. Want to check it out?
So we're going to the tightrope? Are you sure, guys?
Of course, T. You're gonna love it.
Whee! This is fun!
If you think that's fun, try this, T-Bone.
Wait a minute, guys. I don't know about this.
Come on, T. Are you a chicken or a dog?
A dog! I guess. But how do I balance this thing?
Hang tight, T. I know just what we gotta do. Okay, here's the deal. T-Bone definitely needs another ball to help him balance up there. But not just any ball. We need a special one. One with a picture that rhymes with some words I'm gonna say. Then after you find the picture that rhymes with my words, click on it, load it into the cannon, and kapow! Ready, T?
Uh-huh.
Okay, here we go. It's rhyme time. Click on the picture on the ball that rhymes with tar, star, and then click the cannon. Hog. Saw. Car. Now pick the picture on the ball that rhymes with tar, star, car. Tar, star, car. Look at that dog go!
Stay right there. We'll help you again.
Okay, see if you can find this rhyme. Click on the picture that rhymes with bat, cat. Hat, hat, bat, cat, hat.
Twats!
Way to go, T!
Just a little bit more.
For our next rhyme, pick the picture that rhymes with these. Mate, skate, pool, gate, lock, gate, mate, skate, gate.
Ta-da! Thank you! Thank you! Whoa! I'm braver than I thought!
Braver than brave, T.
Congratulations on a job well done. Go ahead and pick a prize, any prize. And these prizes are more than meets the eye. They are just what you need to decorate the parade float. A stellar choice! You can use this prize to decorate your float anytime you want. You'll find it in the big striped tent with the waving red flag on top.
Okay, see if you can find this rhyme. Click on the picture that rhymes with tug, bug, mug. Tug, bug, mug. Wow, that's great!
That's okay, T. We'll get you another ball.
Okay, see if you can find this rhyme. Click on the picture that rhymes with clock, dock, fan, lock, star, lock, clock, dock, lock. Way to go, T!
Just a little bit more.
For our next rhyme, pick the picture that rhymes with these. Dog, fog, log, bed, rice, log, dog, fog, log.
Ta-da! Thank you, thank you. I actually did it!
Way to go, T!
How about that? You've won another prize. Which one will it be? Sensational! Let's play some more.
For our next rhyme, pick the picture that rhymes with these. Throws, nose, ten, bat, frog, mail, hose, hoe, throws, nose, hose. All right, great job!
That's okay, T. We'll get you another ball.
Another rhyme coming up. Try this one. Jug, bug, clam, dog, crow, rug, stick, rug, jug, bug, rug. All right, great job.
Hold tight, T-Bone. Just a tad more.
This time, find this rhyme. Snake, make, plum, cake, stick, red, tape, cake, snake, make, cake.
Ta-da! Thank you, thank you. Hey, I did it!
You sure did.
Another fine prize for another fine job. Marvelous! Now, the rules are you keep playing and you keep winning. Ready to win some more? I thought so.
Okay, see if you can find this rhyme. Click on the picture that rhymes with nice, rice, hog, dice, man, grape, snail, dice, nice, rice, dice. Way to go, T!
Stay right there. We'll help you again.
Another rhyme coming up. Try this one. Clock, dock, rock, sled, mop, hen, top, top, clock, dock, top. That isn't a rhyme. Try to find the thing that rhymes with clock, dock, rock. Clock, dock, rock. Look at that dog go!
Just a little bit more.
Okay, see if you can find this rhyme. Click on the picture that rhymes with stone, bone, nail, hook, bat, cone, drum, cone, stone, bone, cone.
Ta-da! Thank you, thank you. Hey, I did it!
You sure did.
We have more prizes every time you play. Go ahead and pick one. You've won a prize! Marvelous! Now, the rules are, you keep playing and you keep winning. Ready to win some more? I thought so.
Okay, now we're gonna change things a little bit. I'll read a poem and you get to finish it by finding the right picture that finishes the rhyme. Here we go! I love apples, my oh my, baked into a tasty...
Anytime you want to decorate your float, click on the red flag on top of the big striped tent. Ta-ta!
Gosh, guys, what do you think's in that big old striped tent with the red flag on top?
I wonder where the float is.
Beep.
Let's play a game. All you have to do is click on one. Yeah, let's ride the Ferris wheel.
Wow, a Ferris wheel. I've always wanted to ride a Ferris wheel. I hope it doesn't go too fast.
Hurry up! I want to get on! Oh, brother, I think it's broken. And my poor Mackie is stuck. Wait a minute. I know exactly what to do. And, amazingly enough, I think Clifford can help. This Ferris wheel runs on word power. And to power it up, we need to fix all the word families. See? This is the Og word family. Dog, hog, log. Click on the picture on the car that starts with this letter. Click on the picture that starts with the letter L. Clifford, you are absolutely amazing. Log, that's right. Log, keep going. Only 2 more kids before me in line. Okay, time to find the picture that starts with the letter D. Dog. You got it! Dog. Oh, keep going. I'm almost at the front of the line. Now find the picture that starts with the letter H.
hog, as in hog. If you think that's the right car, click on the picture. Now find the picture that starts with the letter H. Hog, absolutely amazing. Hog, finally, it's my turn. Word power courtesy of the Og word family. Move aside, I'm coming through. Wasn't that absolutely amazing, Machiavelli?
How about that? You've won another prize. Which one will it be? Excellent choice. Let's play some more. And don't forget to head over to the big striped tent with the waving red flag and use your prize to decorate the float.
Okay, these cars all have UG words on them. Let's go. Bug, rug, mug. Okay, time to find the picture that starts with the letter M. Mug, absolutely amazing. Mug, keep going. Only 2 more kids before me in line. Now click on the picture that starts with the letter B. Bug. You got it! Bug. Oh, keep going. I'm almost at the front of the line. Okay, time to find the picture that starts with the letter R. Ugh, like rug. If you think that's the right car, click on the picture. Rug. That's right. Rug. Finally, it's my turn. Thanks to the UG word family, we're ready to go. Here I come, Machiavelli! This is where we get off, Mac.
Magnificently done! Now you can pick another prize. Marvelous! Now, the rules are, you keep playing and you keep winning. Ready to win some more? I thought so.
Now let's make the right words with the word family. Drum, plum, gum. Find a picture on the car that starts with the letters PL. Plum. You got it! Plum. Keep going. Only 2 more kids before me in line. Now find the picture that starts with the letter G. Gum. Absolutely amazing. Gum. Oh, keep going. I'm almost at the front of the line. Now, click on the picture that starts with the letters DR. Drum. That's right. Drum. Finally, it's my turn. Word power brought to you by the word family. Get ready, Mackie. We're going for a spin. Wasn't that absolutely amazing, Machiavelli?
Another prize! Which one will it be this time? Marvelous! Now, the rules are, you keep playing and you keep winning. Ready to win some more? I thought so.
This time, it's the iceberg family. Mice. Rice. Dice. Okay, time to find the picture that starts with the letter M. Come back anytime to help power up the Ferris wheel.
I wonder where the float is.
Visit our channel and subscribe for more videos.